Hello ladies, this is my go-to recipe for كعك or date cookies. And here I have 6.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered milk. I have some ghee, around 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of veggie oil, and a cup of butter. And I have 1 can of table cream. I have some spices, date spices, كعك spices, محلب, مسtic, and baking powder and yeast. And I'll be using around a tablespoon of each of rose water and orange blossom water. Here I'll start by adding my ghee to my mixer. To add my spices, milk powder, sugar, and I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. It just gives the cake a nice color at the top. Mix it all up. For my dates, I'm going to use some of nutmeg and anise, a little bit of it. Some oil. Now I'm going to mix that.